Hey guys, what's up? RaiN here. I'm doing a live commentary. We're on Dome. We joined in a little late. I'm playing with RaiN, Flowers, Peg, and Tripuzza, or whatever the hell his name is. So yeah. And this will be fun, because I don't have the MSR, I just Prestige. Woo! Yeah, no MSR, heads up. And I'm getting messages now that I'm not going to look at. I'm supposed to be doing a live commentary with guys from Zerg. But I'm not going to because RaiN was here. And I hate this. I want the MSR. Please be an MSR on the ground. Oh, by the way, for those of you that don't know, Mystic, wow, hit markers. Mystic is, I had a double live, that's pretty sexy. Not really at all. Yeah, I had a double live, I'm so good, right? Look at me. I'm just kidding. Oh, by the way, for those of you who don't know, I snipe completely different than other people in this clan. Everyone's probably noticed that by now. That's a dumb statement to make. I stutter a lot during live commentaries. Mystic just rage quit. Mystic just rage quit, everyone. Our leader just rage quit the game. Ah, where'd he go? Oh, I'm black scoping like an idiot. You faggot! I know you're coming. Oh, I knew that was gonna. Son of a bitch! Alright. That was pretty sexy. What do I keep calling sexy? Because I hit like a double feed, I'm like freaking out now. Dude, they're all leaving. You pussies. Don't back out. You're just mad, bro. Not this guy again. Damn it! Get your ass back here. I'm getting invites from people, I'm getting text messages. So popular. Will they hear me? Yeah, they'll hear you, bro. Oh my god, they're all up there. Flowers just left. All my people in RaiN are leaving there. All my peeps are leaving! Can't optic quickscope me, bro. I keep getting invites and I'm not going. Nope, not gonna happen. Yeah, go risk your life on A, bro. Good luck. UAV up. They're blind. I do the most awkward type of quickscope. Like it's like just barely a quickscope. I don't want to hard scope you, but I have to. Alright, screw this. I'm done. I rage quit. Alright, see ya.